Hello. I hope everybody is okay during this time that we're having right now. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time. Just got other stuff going on, but I feel as though that it's time for me to start making some videos, because now more than ever, I know people is worrying about their credit. They can't pay their bills. They're worrying about this. They're worrying about that. Start now. Don't wait until it get worse. The good thing about the credit bureau and your credit card debts and all those things, if you having a hard time paying, please reach out to your creditors. Let them know what's going on. I know a lot of companies right now, they're waiving late fees and things like that. But the key is communicate with your creditors. Don't answer the phone or don't call them. At least let them know what's going on so they can guide you in the right direction. And with that being said, now is the perfect time to really start focus on your credit even more. Don't let it to get way behind or things get messed up, and it's going you have a hard time of trying to get things back correct. Thank you for all you guys who sending me the emails asking for letters and things like that. Thank you so much. I'm trying to work with everybody, but the emails is thousands of them. But what I am doing right now, those who still need their letters, send me an email. Let me know which letter that you need. Now, I'm sorry, but right at this time of need, I am charging $5 a letter, and you can cash app or whatever. It's the $ at 12702. It's the $ TWELVE 702. Cash app, $5. I will send you any letter that you need for the credit bureau. Okay. Again, it's the $ 12 spelled out TWELVE 702. And let me know which letter that you need, and I will send them out to you. Those who already received the letters, follow the steps that I gave you. And if you need a second letter or you need other letters, please reach out to me. Let me know exactly what letter you need, and I will send it out to you ASAP. Those who got the great responses, those who got things deleted off your credit report, awesome. Keep up the good work. Don't let this time discourage you. Okay, now it's better than ever to be on top of what you need to be on top of. I'm trying to answer all your emails. Like I said, it's a lot of emails and a lot of questions. I'm trying to reach out to everyone. If I miss somebody, please, like I said, these videos are going to start coming every day. I promise you. And we can work through it together, and we can figure it out together. So let me know exactly what you need. Let's get the ball rolling. Peace.